Hello, this is Trackify Lab, Web Analytics and Ads Conversion Tracking Expert. Today I will discuss about how how important to set up custom loader power-ups in Stape.io or server-side tracking. If you have a e-commerce website, you need to set up server-side tracking, and why we need to verify our first-party data with custom loader. For maximizing your first party data with custom loader, while your custom domain helps you tracking, the custom loader power up completes the process by modifying your GTM and J4 script. J4 and GTM script loading paths to enforce a pure first party context. This means that GTM and J4 script become resistant to ad blockers. So uh, we can discuss about how we can set up or verify custom loader power-ups. First we need to go to the Stape.io, then we click the power-ups, we select the custom loader recommendation, click the configure button, then we select the subdomain that we are already verified. If we go back to our GTM, then we click the here we can verify our subdomain, and we can add the CNAME, the host and value. So we can click the power ups, then we click the configure. Here we select the subdomain artho.arthobd.com and definitely put the GTM code, web GTM code here. So we go back to our GTM. Here is our GTM code. Copy the code fast. Then put it down. We definitely on the J4 ad blockers bypass, because if we cannot open the options J4 ad blocker bypass, our visitors, our audience cannot reach our website because of ad blockers and Safari browsers or iOS 14 update. So we definitely on the system. Then we can select the platform. Here the options Shopify, WordPress, Magento, BigCommerce, Wix, but we need to select the others. Then we click the generate. Here we can see a GTM code. Here the code of Google Tag Manager that we are using on our website. First we copy the code, then we go back our website back in, select the snippet, title the snippet in HTML, then paste it the code and save the code. Sorry, we can title the code GTM custom loader. Then we can save. We back to our plugin sections because we are enable the data layer to use a plugin step conversion API. We definitely remove the GTM code there. If we can select the step.io, here the step conversion tracking, select the settings. Here the GTM code, we definitely remove the code. Instead of, we use the custom loader power-ups. We definitely disable the use this option if you do not want to insert the web GTM snippet code on your website, because we already implemented the code on the website backend. That is why we disable the code. Save the code. Go back to our step, then we save change. Our custom loader power-ups will generating successfully. Then we preview the website.